What is up, guys? The 1.0.9 theme update is finally finished. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some of the basic features I added, and then the main feature, the theming editor, and then I will build a basic theme so that you guys can see how it works. And I recommend watching it because there is a little bit to it. So first things first, you can add files now in the File Explorer. So if we go here, you can add a file, and then so you can do that now. It's kind of nice. You can also zip your server. So say you have a full server with a bunch of plugins and stuff, whatever, world files, all that. Zip, and then you put the name. We'll just name it Skyblock. Choose a location, desktop. There you go. And there you go. Right there. So you can do that. Now let's go over the theme editor. All right, so you do .theme. That opens it up. So first thing you're going to see is a little drop down here. This is where your themes are stored. So we're going to go ahead and create a template theme. This is just going to be what we're going to build our theme off of. Basically, let's just call it blue theme. Or now let's do dark theme. Dark theme. We'll do like a dark mode. Okay, so to make it active, you need to click it. So you click it, you'll notice the save button comes up here. Now we can start editing. And you can also create the theme with the default and then save it, whatever you want to do. I prefer to create a template and click it and then just save it as I go. So let's select a background, go to pictures, wallpapers. Let's click that one. Nice dark background. You can change the opacity, the blur, the contrast, and the grayscale. Grayscale wouldn't do anything to this picture because it's already pretty gray. So that's what you can do with the background. For the colors, there's actually quite a bit. We'll go ahead and go over a few of these. So we got the primary color. So this is going to edit the header and then the main input, and also the header of the File Explorer and the ad server. This will also kind of just be the general theme of the ad server, as you can't really change. You can't change the color of this or the selection. It's just kind of a dark opacity overlay or whatever. Anyway, let's go ahead and just do a real dark with maybe like a little bit of that. Okay. So we got a nice see-through header or whatever. It looks pretty nice. Okay, so let's go to accent 1, which is the main border, and you'll see here that's the main border. Go to File Explorer, edits the border up there. So we're just going to make that kind of a little bit lighter, and then for accent 2, that's all the borders for the buttons and such that you're going to want to be like a little lighter, so you'd want that to be just a little like that. And then the scroll bar, I'll just make it red, why not? And then for the shadow, you could do whatever. It's just a box shadow around the image. I'm just gonna make that dark. I don't really. I'll brighten it a little bit. Okay. For server dropdown, that's this right here. So I recommend having 2 servers. This way you can see the selection and the background. Okay, because there's two different options for that. So you got the background first. Okay, so that's gonna be the not whatever's not selected. So let's make it. Let's make it dark. There we go. And then for the selection, we'll also make this dark, but it'll be a little bit brighter. I'll probably just do like that. That looks good. Okay, and then you can also change the active icon. So if you want this, or like say the inactive icon, that's this little circle right here. You can change the color. So this is if it's inactive, the server. So you could do like a really dark like that, and then for active, should be set to green. Yeah, it is. So I'll just keep green for now. Autocomplete. Set the background of this. Let's do. So that's down here. That's the global command list or whatever. Let's set the background to a nice dark color, and then set the selection to maybe let's do a red. Why not? And then yeah. So now you go here. There we go. Look at that. Pretty nice. Not too bad. All right. Let's go ahead and move on to the buttons. I'm not going to color all the buttons, but I'll show you how it works. You just click a button and you change the color. And that's all there is to it. Okay, and you can do it for every button in the application, even the download buttons here. Okay, buttons hover. If you lower this and you hover, it darkens. If you move it a little higher, it'll brighten. Be careful though, because you'll have that little flicker sometimes. That's if the color's already bright, you probably just need to keep it at 99 if you're wanting that bright light hover. But if it's a dark color like this, then you can get away with like pushing it up a little bit. See, you can push it up even higher, even. See, and it won't flicker. So anyway, I'm gonna keep it at 99. Files. For the files, that's the File Explorer. You can handle the hover. So the hover here, that's when you hover over it. We'll just keep that. That actually looks nice. You can change the search. You can change the folder color, the files. Here, I'll just change. Why not? Let's change it to red. Get that red theme going. Yeah, see? You can also change these colors as well. Okay, let's move on to text. Sorry I'm moving so fast, guys. This has to be under 15 minutes for YouTube, so I'm going to like rush this. It's kind of stupid, but anyway, we can change the font color. This is mainly for if you're like going to do like a light theme, you'd want to darken the font, obviously, right? And a brighter theme, you do that, but you can do whatever you want with it. I don't, obviously, but placeholder, that's here, placeholder text. So you have placeholder text here and in the search bar. And you can color that, where is it? Here. See? So we'll just color it red. Why not? Text selection. So this is basically, say we were to start this, and we changed this to like a nice faint red with maybe like a nice, there we go. We'll just kill it. And then you would hover, see? Now it's red. Text selection is red. Looks pretty clean. Font color of the input, this is your text, so we could change that and do whatever you want with it. I'll just keep it white. And button disabled is up here, so every button that's disabled, this is the color for it. So you want to darken that a little bit for sure, since it's disabled. And then font size, console font size. So there you go. You have a slider for it now. And then the font color, change the color of the font of the console. Okay, so we're about done. Now for the theme editor, let's go here. Yeah, let's actually get the properties file. Okay, so we can change this here now, and we can also display or not display line numbers, whatever we want. That's about it. Okay, let's go ahead and save the theme. Save. And let's restart the application so I can show you that. So it should, since this is selected, it should automatically start with this theme. There you go. Started with the theme. You may see a little glitch of the default theme at the beginning. I may fix that in the future. For now, it's just a thing, but your theme will display. And yeah, now we can go here. And yeah, you can delete it or whatever. And if you want to share the theme with somebody, just click that. It'll open up here and you can share it. It's just a text file filled with a crap ton of encoded stuff, right? A lot of bytecode behind this. It's, yeah, a lot of text. Anyway, okay. That about does it. Oh, wait. One thing. Let's go ahead and copy this. Copy. Paste. Let's rename it. Purple theme. If you want to add somebody else's theme, so say somebody puts it in Discord, they're like, hey, check out my theme, whatever. Just do that. There you go. That's it. Then you can select it. All there is to it. Yeah. So that about does it, guys. Oh, there was one last thing I wanted to show you. If you want to get back to the default look, I don't really have a default theme. I don't really even like the default look that much. But if you love it and you want to get back to it, you actually have to delete all of your themes and then refresh. I'll delete it, and then you do .refresh, and it'll refresh the application to the original theme. Now you could even save this theme at the beginning, so like before you were gonna start making your own themes, maybe just save this as default, like default there. That way you can always go back to this original look. Not a bad idea. Anyway, that about does it, guys. I'll have the update out shortly. I'm going to be doing a little bit of testing, updating my Spigot page, and also posting, well, I was about to say posting a video on YouTube. Yeah, the video's already on YouTube if you're watching this. All right, sorry. All right, guys, take it easy.